Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Nikkei futures for Tuesday, November 7. For the record, today is Monday, November 6. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. And we will start in the higher time frame. Here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the Nikkei is that we made a wave one up from here in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are ending with divergence here, so this impulse up is over. Then we came down here as a wave 2, corrective move down. I would label this as a WXY structure. We did not reach our wave 2 area. Instead, we went up from here. And so, yeah, from this point here, we started or we noticed clearly like an impulsive structure. So overall, we are bullish. So therefore, in my primary scenario here indicated in green, I would say we are working here on this wave 3 in the higher degree. And of course, this wave 3 should, again, consist of 5 waves. And for now, I would count it as a 1, a 2. And I believe this structure right here is, this wave 3, which is in progress. So we are working on this wave 3 here, in my opinion, and then a 4 and a 5th wave should follow. So this looks all quite bullish, I would say. Now it's important to to consider different scenarios, so we are prepared if like the primary scenario is not playing out, and if I have to be bearish, or if I have to come up with a bearish count here in the weekly for the Nikkei, then there might be a possibility that this wave 2 here is not finished yet. And then it could be that after this wave 1 here in the higher degree, we made a wave A down, so in 3, 1, 2, 3, here indicated in red, and that the structure we are seeing here is an overshooting wave B, so that we are actually working on an expanded flat structure, and after the wave B, an impulsive wave C down should follow. For the moment, this is not my primary scenario. Also because like the structure we're having right here, if you zoom out, excuse me, I would call this rater wave 4 price action instead of impulsive price action down as a C wave. So therefore, for now, I stick to the scenario here in green, the bullish one, but just be aware that from an Elliott point of view, here the scenario in red, the bearish one, could also play out. Now, if we zoom in to the daily chart, so here we have our wave 2 low I was talking about, and from here I believe we started the wave 3. So this wave 3 should be subdivided in 5 waves. I believe we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2, and then this impulsive structure here is the wave 3. And so now I believe we are working on the wave 4, or the wave 4 is in right here. We are in the wave 4 area, so this here is our wave 4 area. If we take the length of the wave 3, then we see here that this area, the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement, is the wave 4 area. And so we have price action now in this area. And so what could happen from here, or what could happen, like how could this wave 4 further develop? First of all, there might be a possibility that the wave 4 was in right here after a WXY correction. That would be one possibility. But for now, my primary scenario is actually that we are working on a 333 correction, a WXYXZ correction. So we would make in this scenario one more low here as a wave Z, taking out the wave Y low, and then I believe the wave 4 is in. So why do I believe in this scenario, the triple tree correction, with making one more low before we start our fifth wave, and not the WXY correction with the fourth, with the wave 4 low in right here? Well, it's because of the like the internal wave counts or the structure I'm seeing here. If we are, or if we zoom in to the 4 hour, so this here is our wave Y low. If we zoom into the 4 hour, then I would say, excuse me, this structure here looks looks corrective in my opinion, because this is ending too strong. This is not how a wave 5 should end. I know you could maybe count it something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I would classify this as an A, B, C up actually, because wave 5 is supposed to end with divergence. We do not have divergence here in the 4 hour. And also look in the 1 hour, this looks way too strong. So therefore I would say that we are here working on the wave X here, on this wave X, as a WXY. So this is corrective as an A, B, C. Then this is corrective here, a wave X down in the lower degree. And then the structure from here is also corrective up as a wave Y. And I believe from here we will see again downside as a wave Z, taking out this low. And then I believe the wave 4 low is in. So let's have a look at this in the 1 hour time frame. So here ABC as a wave W. Then I believe here this wave X played out as extended wave A, B up, and then C down. And then from here, in earlier videos, I already called for this structure. I would call for an expanded flat as an A, B, so overshooting wave B, excuse me, taking out this low, and then a very aggressive wave C, strong wave C in the opposite direction after taking out this low. And so now we are actually in the wave X area, so we could return from here. We also nicely hit the equal leg area from this WXY structure. As you can see, we react from there. So if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X right here, then this area here between the 1 and the 1.618, but we cannot go beyond this high. So I limit the area to the 1.236 FIP extension is the area from where we should see downside again. So yeah, let's see if this further plays out. Of course, in the lower time frame, let's have a look at the 15 minutes. Okay, I would call for this structure to be complete, but look, this is also something we cannot exclude. Something like this here. Okay, we have some divergence here, but this can be the wave 3 of 3. So I think this might also play out actually, that this here is our wave 3. We are now working on the 4. We see one more high as a fifth wave, and then we come down. That's definitely a possibility. And yeah, if the wave 4 low was in right here, then the alternative count looks like this. This was the wave 1 up right here, indicated in red. But like I said, I don't like this count because this does not look like a textbook impulse to me. We are ending way too strong here in RSI. We do not have RSI divergence, and RSI divergence is something typical for an impulse. So therefore, I would classify this as a corrective structure, as an ABC. But if this is the wave 4 low, this has to be the first impulse. Then this is our wave 1. Then corrective move down as a wave 2. And then it would mean from here we start the wave 3, or we are working on this wave 3. So wave 3 of the wave 5 actually. But this is the alternative scenario. My primary scenario calls actually from downside. Here, I believe this was the wave X, or we will soon finish this wave X, and then we go down one more time to take out this low. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.